Welcome to creating Faceless YouTube video with ChatGPT and text-to-video AI tool. Nowadays, with the revolutionary AI video editing tools, you can easily create a compelling YouTube video without showing your face and even without talking. So, in this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use the mighty ChatGPT and versatile INVIDEO.AI video maker to make a high-quality and faceless YouTube video with real-world examples and actionable strategies. Let's dive into it now. If you ask, what is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel refers to a channel where the creator's face is not shown in any of the videos. Instead, the focus is on the content itself, which can vary from educational tutorials to entertainment or even conspiracy theories. By utilizing AI, creators can create high-quality videos without the need for manual editing or recording. Many successful faceless channels exist on YouTube, earning thousands of dollars each month through various monetization methods such as advertising, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. While it may seem counterintuitive not to build a personal brand, faceless channels can still attract loyal audiences through consistent content creation and a clear market niche. Use ChatGPT to write the script for your YouTube video. Generate basic YouTube video ideas using ChatGPT. In this message ChatGPT field, type your prompt or message and send. For my video, let's ask about how to make money on YouTube. To get suggested ideas to monetize your YouTube video. Then, ChatGPT will list out some strategies to make money on YouTube. You may copy and paste these basic ideas for your YouTube video. After you've worked out the YouTube video script, it is time to generate the text to video. Go to INVIDEO.AI for convert your ChatGPT text to video. First, you'll need to go ahead and create a free account or login if you already have one. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard area. On Give Me a Topic and Detailed Instructions, you can add the text you have copied from ChatGPT to produce professional YouTube videos. For a better result, at the bottom here, you have the option to choose a workflow that aligns with your video's purpose and platform. For instance, if you want to create a video to script a video, you can select the corresponding workflow. Once you have selected a workflow or mentioned your desired video type in the prompt, the next step is to define the topic of your video. INVIDEO.AI prompts you to input a description or theme for your video. And then continue the next settings at this bottom. Once you've filled in all that info, go ahead and press continue. Then before it actually starts generating, you'll be able to see the prompt that those questions and answers created. You can make any changes to that prompt or you can hit generate a video. In this case, it's asked us to confirm the audience, look and feel, and the platform, then continue. From here it will start generating a preview of the video. After a few minutes you'll be able to hit play and see what the AI has turned out. Once the video has been generated, you can make any changes to it by editing the video script or using prompts. After review the video, if you want to change some media or script of the video, hit the Edit button. You'll see there are two tabs at the top of this window: Edit Media and Edit Script. Let's start with Edit Media. Here you can see all the different video clips that INVIDEO has used as well as all the corresponding text for the voiceover. If you want to change one of the clips, you can upload your own footage by selecting Upload Media, or you can select the video clip you want to change, then search in the search bar for some different stock footage. Then once you find a new clip, it's as simple as clicking Replace and that clip will now show in your video instead of the original. Edit Script. This is where you can make changes to the script. If you make too many changes, it can generate a full regeneration of the video. All you need to do is edit the text and then hit Apply Changes. It will load and make those changes to the video script. At the end you can edit with further prompts. Enter your prompts here. Once you've entered your new prompt, hit Generate after you've created your video. It's time to export. Press the Export button below the video and select Export Video. From here you can specify all the export settings such as export resolution, whether you want to remove watermarks or not, whether you want to include INVIDEO branding or not. Once you've set those, click Continue. INVIDEO is completely covered, which is awesome, but if you do have any issues with your video being flagged for copyright on YouTube, you just need to go to the copyright assistance section in INVIDEO and they'll get this sorted for you. When it's finished rendering, you can click download to save the video file onto your computer. Thank you all for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and remember, your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.